Chap Nova. Today I'm going to show you how to optimize your WordPress website's database in 1 minute or less. Alrighty here. So what I want you to do is log in, go to your database right there, or not database, your dashboard, and click right here to plugins. Then what we'll do is click Add New. Then just click right, or put right there WP Optimize. Click on Install. Click Activate. Come over here, click on Database. Click Dismiss on that, and then right here, click that one right here, leave everything else the same. Now run all selected optimizations. Now this is optimizing your WordPress website. Now with WordPress is always making changes to your database, meaning whatever you do, if you save a page, save a file, save an image, whatever it is, WordPress saves all these copies and leaves them there. And what happens is over time, it slows your website down really fast, and what happens is it just gets slower and slower. But that's why I showed you today WP Optimize. It's a free WordPress plugin that cleans your database out and makes sure that your site's going to load fast, and then make sure that this is done every single day so you don't have to worry about coming back and doing it yourself. You can just scroll up here and click on Settings, come down here, click on Enable, then click right here to Daily, click that one right there to optimize database tables, leave all these other ones the same, and then come over here and click Save, and then now every single day this will automatically optimize your WordPress website's database, and you will not have to worry about anything, okay? This is a big help. A lot of people don't know about this, and like I said, when you enable this right here, this is going to make your life so much easier so you can work on making your WordPress website, get out there, make posts, and do whatever you want. So you can start, building your business with this new WordPress website, or even your old website, whatever it is. I just wanted to show you how to optimize your WordPress website's database because, a lot of people don't know how to do it, and they wonder why their site's really slow. Now, if you're new to WordPress, below this video, I'm going to add some different links that you can come over there and you can sign up for our free training, okay? For our free WordPress training. It's called WPLearning101.com. You're going to get a free ebook guide that's going to show you exactly what you need to do to learn WordPress. But we've made 31 videos that are WordPress Learning Made Simple. We want you to make sure that if you don't know how to use WordPress, or even if you do and you just want to learn it, to another level, you can sign up for free. It's not a free trial. It's 100% free. You don't have to pay for it. As WordPress comes out with new, different updates, we will add different videos to make sure that you are up to date. So if there's been any big changes with WordPress, you will know, okay? So basically what you do is you just click on here, Start Learning Now for free. Just put your name, your last name, your email address. Click this box right here. Leave this one checked right here also. And this will allow you to get emails from us so we can let you know when there's been new updates to videos that we've loaded up for WordPress to teach you how to do different things. And just, if we feel like there might be something that's important for you to hear from us, okay? So, like I said, below this video, there'll be a link that you can go there and click on it, and you can get this for 100% free. And like I told you, once you sign up, you'll get directed right there, and you can start watching them. It's an e-learning website, meaning you can go at your own pace. You can go back and forth and do whatever you want. That's why we set this up for you. We do have some paid training and stuff like that. Once you learn WordPress to another level, you can move to this level. But we're not, like I said, we're not expecting you to do any of this unless you already know WordPress. Most of these courses that we have here are going to be $14.99. So I'll just click on one so you can see it. This one's about, WordPress security. It takes you to a whole different level. You can, do some basic things for WordPress security, but if you want to make sure your website is secure to the max, these videos are good. And like I said, we only charge around $14.99. Once you pay for this, it's a one-time payment, so you don't have to worry about it again. And then as WordPress is coming out with new, updates and stuff, and we have to make changes to these videos, we will add them here so you can always come back to them. Like I said, it's an e-learning platform, so you can go at your own pace and stuff like that. Don't worry about, this kind of stuff right now. We just want to make sure that you know WordPress, for the basic steps so you can actually move forward and get your business going, instead of trying to figure out what in the world you're supposed to do, okay? Every single week, I'm going to make new videos and stuff like that. So it's going to teach you about different plugins, mostly free WordPress plugins. Some are paid, but most of them are free. I just want you to make sure that you're using the plugins that we use for all of our sites to make sure that they're secure, loading fast, and just running really good so our customers are very happy with the sites, okay? So if you have any questions or anything like that, you can come to the site right here and click our support and get a hold of us there. or below this video. You can post your comments and questions, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. But like I said, we are here for you. We want to help you, and that's why we put together these videos, and that's why I showed you today how you could optimize your WordPress website with this free plugin called WP Optimize. Okay, this is Chad Portnoy again. We'll see you on the next video. Make sure you share this video and you subscribe to our YouTube channel. It helps us grow it and get it out to more people and help more people learn WordPress, okay? We really appreciate it. Thanks again. This is Chad Portnoy. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.